Welcome! Now I got Motorola Moto G60S, and now I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option on this device. So first step, open your Google application, this one, and next click on your icon of Google account here, and then you choose settings, and here we got Google Assistant. Then you scroll down and find general option. This one, general option. And then you'd click here on switcher to turn on Google Assistant. Click, confirm operation, click one more time, turn on, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.